So it's nearly December here. It's getting pretty cold. So I've got my my heater going here, which really helps. I'm gonna turn it off because it makes a whole lot of noise. Now the videos, when I was editing them, I film everything on an iPhone, and it just needs a lot of light. So what I've been buying are extra fixtures over here and over there to get some more light in the shed. So I'm working on that now, getting all the electrics working, so I get as much light as I can, because that will help the videos, make them look better. So in this video I'm just going to show you what mess I'm in right now. Shed's all full with stuff, and there is the engine. Now I'm nearly ready to fix this. I think one of the first things I'm going to do is get these piston rings fitted, which shouldn't be too much work. I think the pistons themselves are fine. Other than that, everything for the engine is ready, painted. I think I got all the parts now. So I obviously have to do the valves. Everything's in here. I've kept everything organized, so I know where everything has to go, each valve and all the bits and pieces. So that's all for the valves. Yeah, but mainly the light now. This is okay, but as soon as I work lower, then the light's just too shabby. The other thing that's pretty cool is behind me right here. It's Black Friday a couple of days ago. Well, yesterday I think, last day, and I spent some money, a lot of money I think, on this tiny thing, which is the Moto Gadget Blue. Got it at a discount because of Black Friday, so I decided to spend some money and get this. I think the Bluetooth function is really adding something to this bike, making it special and helping me do the electrics, because I'm really dreading that. But I think the electrics are even worse. Mind you, I'm still a first-time builder, so everything I do, I'm doing for the first time. So the other thing is battery. Let's keep you out of the light. Yeah, lithium battery. Nice and small. I hope it works. Saw some reviews on the internet, and they should work fine for a small bike like this. So these batteries can be hooked together so you can get more power out of them, but this should work. The only thing I still have to do is buy a different regulator, just to make sure that it doesn't fry this battery. That's a big warning everywhere, so I'll have to get that, and so I'll have to save some money to buy that. Got a lot of cables, and I got this pretty cool thing which comes with Moto Gadget, is this button which you can put in front of at the steering wheel, and just get a single wire running from the front to the Moto Gadget to operate all the switches. Now about the switches, somebody got in touch with me through Instagram, which is pretty cool. He makes his own custom buttons, and I think I'm going to use that to get this nice and clean. So I will update you on that as soon as I can. Obviously in the last video we did the front wheel, which is looking really nice. Really happy with that. I still got the speedometer, the original one, in here, but I think I'm looking at a digital one. But I think I'm going to leave that in there anyway. Doesn't do any harm. So yeah, that is the update for this video. I'm not really doing anything, I'm just showing you, oh sorry. Not really any fast moving videos this time. Also, I made the new intro for these videos for the channel. Just something to spice it up a bit. I hope you like that. And yeah, just follow me on Instagram. A lot of people are contacting me on Instagram. I really like that. It's a big community with everybody building cafe races in their sheds, and yeah, it's fun to learn from each other and see what everybody builds, and well, how we can upgrade bikes like this. This one was absolutely in tatters, as they say in England, I think. It was just completely rusted and ready to be dumped, and now it's becoming a really cool bike. So there are purists who say you do not cut up a bike, but this thing was going to the scrap heap, so nothing wrong with it. Cafe racer, I think. All right, so oh yeah, I got the it's not a promotion, it's just somewhere I got this. It's at caferacersunited.com, or Cafe Racer web shop. It's a Dutch-based web shop for all stuff for cafe races. Really nice website. They got so much stuff. If you need anything, they've got it, especially for these kinds of builds. So check them out. Put the link below. Also, I put the link below of the guy that contacted me about the buttons. I forgot his name. I will show it here. Underneath it was Hedgehog something. Pretty cool stuff, and he offered me to help me out with the CX electrical system. So I'm gonna hold him on that promise. Anyway, that is it for me for now. So nothing fancy. I'm just gonna keep working on these lights. Yeah, and I'll keep you updated. So thank you for watching. See you next time, and stay warm.